Good Monday. It's about midday and I am starting the tear down on this truck. Get this intake manifold replaced. It's not as scary a job as it sounds. It's just a whole lot of stuff to take off before you can actually take the manifold off. Now I've got a bunch of it already loosed. Take the throttle body off. It's already all unhooked. And I think I did a video on this a while back where I replaced this gasket. And just for giggles, when I put it back together, I'll go ahead and get a new gasket because they're only like $2, just to make sure. And now I can get to a lot of this other stuff. Alrighty then, this is going to be part one of probably at least two, probably three parts. Basically all I got to do is start unbolting things. It will get just a little bit hairy when I have to take the distributor out, but not bad. I think I have to take it out. Let's see. Maybe not, I don't know. Probably, yeah, I gotta take it out. But that's not too bad, just gotta pay very close attention to how it comes out and how it goes back in. That's one reason I'm gonna video all this, so I can look back at it if I need to. Alright, I will be back. Continue to get bolts out. And yep, I'm already bleeding, so it's gonna be a fun project. Alright, we are to the point where I've got to take the distributor out. If I don't, I can't get to the back two bolts and it won't come off anyway. So let's see if I can set this camera right here. I've already got the cap loose. I thought it was loose. One neat thing about Fords that I do like, most of those, the distributors are in the front of the engine. Well, you can get to them. Now I'm going to mark position of this. Really should mark it over there, but that's turned the opposite way. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to mark here right about the center, right there. That way I know it needs to go back in like that. In orientation, I'm going to put a mark right here. Like that. That way I know how it's supposed to go back in there. Now, this is going to get a little tedious because I got to take this off, or when I just unplug it. Unplug that. The bolt that holds it down is right there, if you can see where my finger is. I'll take that off and it'll lift straight out. We hope. And car guys, just Greg, I know you made a comment the other night. While I've got this out, do you think I should, I believe that's called a pickup coil, you think I should go ahead and replace that while it's out? I don't think it's gave me any trouble, but still, if let me know what you think, or any of you car guys. I mean, it'd be a lot easier to do it while it's all apart than have to do it later on. And everything I'm finding on the truck, from the exhaust system all the way up, almost everything, with the exception of the water pump, I know's been replaced. Everything is original to the truck. Well, the brake booster, I replaced it several years back, but everything else is original. Whoever had this, well, my son had this truck for years, and whoever he got it from took absolutely great care of it. Records and all are still in the glove box. It was well taken care of. So let me know what you think about that. Now I'll put the camera away for a minute and get this off, because it's going to get tedious and I may say a bad word or two. Maybe not. I'm not, if y'all can tell, I'm not in any big hurry. I'm going slow, because I have not done a job like this in a long time, but everything's going okay so far. Let me find me some wood to knock on. Hang on. There. Alright, first obstacle. I cannot get the bolt loose with a wrench. I need a crow foot. This is my set of crow's feet. The one I need is not there, because I remember now the last time I did this same job, I broke the lip off of it. So, being as I have no way to get to town, because Mama's at work, and these have been in the drawer for over 20 years, so I'm going to grind this one out and see if I can make it work. Wish me luck. Alright, let's see if we can get it out of here. I had to get Joseph to come out and help me. I could not get the bolt to hold the distributor tight. I could not get it out. I'll get it loose. Had to get him to come help me, and we had to tap it with a hammer, and my homemade crow's foot did not work. I'm gonna have to pick up one of those. Anyway, I've got everything unbolted, everything's loose. See if we can't work it out of here. There goes the water. Yes, I do have new oil to replace the oil with. Let's see. It's not that heavy, it's just you can't hardly get a hold of it. There we go. Ooh-wee, I'm back. What a mess. Now, best I can tell, it was leaking up here, right in the front. Now, let's see. Bear with me. This is going to be all for part one, I think. I'll start getting everything clean. Now, I will take the vacuum cleaner and suck a bunch of that junk out of there before I get ready to put it back together. I have some gunk build up in there. Look at that. It's an old truck, so now it'll take several hours probably to scrape all that down, clean it. Same with the intake itself. Let's see, let's go over here and look. That is actually an aluminum intake, I do believe. Yep, it was leaking right in here, which is where what I read and what I remember, these are notorious for leaking right there. All right, see that exhaust port there? This exhaust port here is clogged up with carbon. cannot be a good thing. I'll clean that out good. And I believe these are clogged up too. Yep. So I got a good several hours of cleaning. That's okay. When it goes back together, it'll be right. So this will be it for part 1. I think that's clogged up. That's supposed to, no, that's supposed to be closed. Maybe those are too. I don't know. We'll see. I'll go back to the university YouTube and look. My old brain is not as sharp as it once was. Alrighty then. Got a mess. And that'll do it. Thank y'all for watching. Thank you for your support. I welcome your comments. If y'all see something I didn't do right, let me know.